Did you know there are over 17,000 languages? And today we're speaking facts. What's up everyone? Today is gonna be a super quick and easy video as we break down the 5 reasons to not buy the HERO12 Black. So this camera has been out for about 6 months now, and having used this camera for over 6 months, taking it to all kinds of adventures from snowboarding, surfing, wakeboarding, freediving, I feel like I can really talk about the reasons to not buy this camera. And instead of just talking about it, I'm actually gonna show you guys with video proof that I've captured over the last 6 months. So let's just get straight into it. Reason number 1, video quality. This camera shoots 5.3K and 4K in slow motion. And honestly, it's not really that great. You know, just let this footage speak for itself. And reason number 2 to not buy the HERO12 Black is that the low light absolutely sucks on the camera. And we've seen this time and time again with comments online. And if there's one thing I've learned, you should always trust what a random person has to say on the internet. So I decided to test this myself and took the GoPro to a music festival. And well, look at this. 'Cause you can turn me. Another reason to not buy the HERO12 is the stabilization. Like if you're moving your camera all around all different angles, it just stays perfectly locked in the horizon, which is super annoying. You know, I love it when I have like, you know, shaky footage, so it's kind of annoying not having that anymore, especially with this max lens mod that none of the other camera brands do, which, you know, there's a good reason why they don't do it. Why would you want something like that? It's so useless. I think one of the worst things about GoPros and action cameras is how bad the slow motion is. Like it absolutely sucks, doesn't it?
Dude, it's terrible.
It's so bad. So I'm gonna show you guys how bad it is. I'm gonna go do a little double riding with Jake right now, shoot at 240 frames per second so you can see how terrible the slow motion is on a GoPro.
I don't know why we're wasting our time.
So the 5th reason to not buy the HERO12 Black is compatibility. Now I don't know about you guys, but the GoPro camera range has been the exact same shape, size, weight since the HERO9. So what's that, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 cameras, all the same size, same battery, same lens. That's really annoying, you know. It means all my accessories that I've been using the last 4 years are all compatible with the current camera. I don't know about you guys, but I prefer when camera brands change everything every year, so I have to buy, you know, new lenses, new accessories, new adapters, new batteries. That's just a way better user experience. Busy setting up this motorized time-lapse slider. Incredible piece of equipment. Huge respect to people that shoot time-lapses and hyperlapses because they are extremely tedious and they take up a lot of time for, you know, just a few seconds of footage. Anyway, I guess you kind of see the way I'm going with this video. If you haven't got it, you might want to look up the meaning of satire, but at the end of the day, the HERO12 Black is a pretty incredible camera. And you know, when your camera can't do what you want it to do, always remember it's 100% the camera's fault and not the user's. Just like when I can't do a triple backflip on a snowboard, it's not me, it's the snowboard I'm using, obviously. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, learned a couple things. Go check out the GoPro. You're not going to regret grabbing one, I promise you that. I'll see you guys in the next one.